to the FinKit YouTube channel. Today I am gonna teach you how to do professional tax revision filing. Okay, so let me go to Google first. It is easy for you to understand. I will type ePrerana. This professional tax login website of government for the Karnataka. Let's say I click on the ePrerana. Let me select now register user login. So let me log in by using a ID and password. So once you log in, as usual, you see the all options here, which are most important for to file the revision filing: entry, payment, submit, and print. So let me select entry first. Let's imagine that I am doing a revision filing of 2020 December. So you can see that when you select December and 2020, when you click on the go button, it is showing you error saying that version return already exists for this period. Since we are doing a revision return, don't forget to select this revised option. Select go now. So once this portal will open here, I have to select the particular slabs, which is for Karnataka 15 and above is the chargeable amount. I will select the correct details as I am doing a revision filing here. 50 employees with a 200 rupees. It is supposed to be payable of 10,000 as per the revision return, but my version return showing was it was paid of 9,800. So balance 200 rupees is payable now. So go to next. So you can see that the summary completely over here. So which is showing as revised, and view filing date was when you are doing today, and for which period you are doing here. Ensure that you are looking all these things properly to see the accuracy of the filing. And you can see that the version paid was 9,800 and to be payable was actually 10,000. I mean, after deducting these two, net payable is coming to 200 rupees. Ensure that you making payment after this step. Save this. So once you save this, as usual, you make a payment. How do you do for a fresh return payable? The same way. Once you make a payment, keep the payment challenge with you. Then select a payment option here. Select which we already saved. You can see that payable tax was 200 rupees. Select it. Put a reference number over here. Whatever like as per the payment challan. Click on add here. So once you click add here, it will add to the particular return. Then you have to come here for the submit button. Select. So once you have added that, your amount will come and sit here, which is blank between this and above box. So after that, you can see that matching with 200 rupees was paid. So you can once you done that, you can submit. The submit button will enable here. You can submit here for the completion of professional tax revision return. Yeah, so you can see that unsubmitted because I have not submitted since all the returns are correct here. For the revision purpose, you will get a submit button once you add all these steps. Thanks for watching the video. I will show you next step in my next video how to do annual filing of PT return for Karnataka. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.